Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to hide a post from clients in Basecamp. All right. First up, we would need to set the privacy. So how do we do that? Go to the top right, click on admin land. Right here, go ahead and find manage people. Click on it. And then in here, as you can see, I have a client. So what we're going to do is just click on three dots and then click on change access first. And here, make sure that he or she is only included on one project, or in other words, select the project your clients should be able to access. And then once that's done, by default, everything starts off as private, meaning they won't be able to see what's inside your project unless you allow them to do so. Okay. What I meant by that is that when you go ahead over to home in your projects, and here, for example, you have the message board. Okay. When you go ahead and add in a new message, maybe I'm going to go ahead and add in a category. It would be an announcement like we're almost done. All right. So as you can see here at the top, you can allow the client to see this too. So if you don't want your client to see this specific message, well, do not click on this radio button. Okay. Just scroll down and hit on save or post and you're good to go. And I'm going to show you one more message right here where I enabled it. In schedule, maybe a new event right here. Again, by default, your client won't be able to see anything that you post unless you allow it right here. Okay. Now, if you already created a post and then you wanted to hide it from them, for example, this one, this specific schedule right here, you're going to want to go ahead and click on it and just make sure to go to the top. It says here the client can see this event. Click on change and then select our team only, private to us. Save. Once done, you're good to go. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.